First, drag the image of girl. Adjust its size and flip it horizontally. Then drag the image of phone and adjust its size and position. Then fill the background layer with orange color by pressing Alt plus backspace. Make a new layer and select soft round brush tool. Paint white on it, just behind the phone. Change its blending mode to overlay. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl plus J and change its blending mode to normal. Decrease its opacity. Then make group by selecting layers and pressing Ctrl plus G. Now import image of cubic floor. Adjust its size and position accordingly. Change its blending mode to soft light. Now, make new layer above phone. Select the phone screen by Magic Wand tool. Then press Alt plus backspace. It will fill the selection area with color. Now import the UI design of app. Show transform control by pressing Ctrl plus T. Right-click on object and choose the distort option. Then adjust it according to the screen. Right-click on its layer and choose Clipping Mask. Now, make new layer below the girl image. We will make shadows underneath the girl. Then make new adjustment layer of color balance above girl image. Increase its red and yellow accordingly so it matches with background. Also make the new adjustment layer above phone and increase red and yellow accordingly. Then drag the social media icons one by one and adjust their size and positions properly. Write text with text tool. Increase its size. Change its font to Bronix. Then make a rectangle. Keep its color white. Right-click on its layer. Choose blending options, then choose inner shadows and adjust the values accordingly. Then duplicate the text layer by pressing Alt and dragging it. Change its color to same as background color, and adjust properly above rectangle. Write new text and change its font to 𝒄𝒎𝒎𝒆𝒏𝒕. Then select all text layers. Press Ctrl+T, and by pressing Ctrl, make it tilt towards right. Then duplicate the icon layers and adjust those at different positions, and give them the Gaussian blur effect. Yellow color, and change its blending mode to screen, then fill its layer mask with black. Then choose Soft Round Brush tool, and paint white where you want the glow to show up. Press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+E to merge all the layers together. Choose Camera Raw Filter and adjust the values accordingly. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.